Welcome to the Story Learning Podcast, regular doses of language learning tips and motivation to help you become fluent in any language. With me, Olly Richards. For language programs, books, free resources, and much more, visit StoryLearning.com. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the I Will Teach You a Language podcast. Hope you are having a great week. So I am coming to you live. Well, it's not live, is it? It's obviously recorded, but I'm coming to you live from Bodrum in Turkey, where we are on the very first annual Story Learning Team Retreat. Now, as you may know, across the Story Learning business, we have many people who contribute to all the fantastic content and courses and things that we create, video channels, videos, YouTube channels, and everything we do is all thanks to the work of really hundreds of people, actually, working in different capacities. But we have a core team of around 14 or 15 people who work with us on a regular basis. And they are all here, almost everyone. A couple of people couldn't make it because they had to travel a long way. But the vast majority of our regular permanent team, if you like, are here in Bodrum. And we have spent a week here in this fantastic villa, where we've just been taking some time out of the office, so to speak, although we all work remotely from home. But we've been taking some time together to discuss what we're doing, our mission at Story Learning, what we're trying to do in the world and how we do it, how we can do it better. And so what I thought I would do is record this little podcast episode and I thought I'd just wander around and talk to people and just see what happens. So you're getting a real behind the scenes thing here. You're not going to hear much about languages or language learning so much here, but this is going to be more of a behind the scenes thing, so you can sort of see what we get up to. If you want to see some pictures, then you can go to our Instagram, which will be at I Will Teach You a Language, or just search for Olly Richards on Instagram. You'll be able to see some pictures that we've posted. It is a fantastic location. I'm standing here right now up on the deck, I guess you'd call it, in the villa, looking out over the Mediterranean. I can see Kos, the Greek island of Kos, off in the distance, and a few super yachts. Also in the bay, which is kind of a surreal experience. And the sun's going down. We're making some cocktails. It's the end of a long week. And then, yeah, so I'm going to go and interrupt the conversation going on here. So, guys, you are live on the I Will Teach You a Language podcast.
Oh, my God.
Oh. Yeah, didn't tell you that. So I thought I'd come and just talk to you guys and see what happens.
The I Will Teach You a Language podcast.
The I Will Teach You a Language podcast, yeah. That's exactly it. We should probably change it to the Story Learning podcast at some point. So I've just been telling everyone about the retreat and what we've been doing. So maybe go around the table quickly, just introduce yourself and say what you do here at Story Learning.
Hi everyone, this is James, and I am involved in everything to do with the day-to-day operations with Story Learning, and helping coordinate various different projects and working with kind of the whole team, really. Yeah, that's me.
Hi everyone, I'm Sofia, or Sophie. I'm manager of the StoryLearning Spanish podcast, of the StoryLearning Spanish YouTube channel, which is brand new. Go check it out. And also, I write lots of stories for Story Learning, basically. And I like to hang out here with the team, having a beer. That's it.
Hi everyone, I'm Leonardo, and I am the assistant editor. But I think that's moving fast and growing big, so things are changing soon for that.
Yeah, okay.
That was it for me.
And if you've ever emailed in to Story Learning, or formerly known as IWillTeachYouALanguage.com, you probably have seen the name Dave before. That's me. And I've, been around for a little while, so you probably know who I am and know what I do.
Hi folks, I'm Cara and I run the blog at Story Learning, which means I put all the lovely articles on the blog, make them look pretty, make them look nice for you to read. And I've also been writing the content about English teaching. If you haven't had a look at that, go and have a look at that. And if you've never read the blog and you only listen to the podcast, go and read the blog.
Yeah, absolutely. Blog over at StoryLearning.com. Eric, you're live on the I Will Teach You a Language podcast.
All right.
Introduce yourself to the...
What's up, guys? My name is Eric. I'm from the U.S., but I live in Germany. I work in marketing, so I do a bunch of stuff with our emails and then our sales pages and stuff like that. and speak Egyptian Arabic and German, and
So something in Arabic.
بتكلم عربي ودلوقتي بسرب بيرة.
Because that's my least favourite question of all is, say something in... No.
Worst question ever.
So, in a word, how's the retreat been this week, guys? Anyone?
Amazing.
Amazing!
Yeah. We have
Fantastic.
ketchup crisps.
The best.
And we have some really exciting, some really cool, really exciting plans and ideas for the story learning community, which we've been wanting to expand on for a while, to do more things for all of you, to make the learning experience even better, and give you more connection with other story learners. So we've got lots of really cool big plans for that, and looking forward to rolling them out over the next few months and years.
And we have ketchup crisps.
We did.
Which is like, and a beautiful sunset, yeah. All right, thanks, guys. I'm going to leave you in peace now. You could go back to telling the truth. Okay. All right, it's going to get a bit noisy as we walk in here. So, bear with me. Okay, guys, can I have your attention, please? You are live on the I Will Teach You a Language podcast. So, Ellie, you just turn down the music for a second. So here we have 5 people involved in the business in different ways. Perhaps you could just introduce yourselves quickly and tell us who you are, what you do with story learning.
Hi, my name is Stefano, and I do student support in that I answer questions of the students directly in the courses about various languages such as German, Japanese, Italian, and so on.
And yes, and he speaks all of those languages as well. So if you're a student on the course and you've ever asked a question, chances are Stefano has answered that question for you. So that's him, Ellie.
Hi, I'm Ellie, and I am commissioning editor for Story Learning Press, which means I bring you all those wonderful books that you've come to know and love. So one-on-one conversation, topics that matter, and coming up much more.
Brilliant. Great salesperson. Thanks, Ellie. Ines.
Hi, I'm Ines, and I help put all our awesome courses together, upload them onto Teachable, and make them user-friendly and
very beautiful as well.
And beautiful, yes, just so you will enjoy them more.
Yeah, and our courses have improved so much in recent years. I mean, they are. It's a far cry from back years ago when I was the one kind of conceiving, creating, recording, uploading all of the courses that I made. We now have a wonderful production team who's just making the courses look so attractive, and that's we have Ines to thank for a lot of that. Now, the guy I'm going to speak to next is actually in the middle of cooking a massive meal for the whole team.
Part of his normal responsibility.
Not part of his normal responsibility. So I don't know what we're going to get from him, but we'll do our best. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Call me Chef, please, actually.
Excuse me, Chef.
Yes. So I am John. I produce the YouTube channel, which means basically from idea for a video to hitting publish. It's kind of all on my stressed shoulders. There's a lot in between. Obviously, Olly's recording the videos. Our colleague Lisa is writing scripts, but it's been an interesting ride. We've grown fast and we've learned a lot, and
we have.
More to come.
Our YouTube channel has gone in the last year or so, since the beginning of 2021, we've gone from 30,000 to what have we 230,000.
Yeah, in 1 year.
Yeah, which is cool. And to give you an idea of the way that the YouTube channel works, we have a video that's meant to go live in about 5 minutes.
That's right. Which I better stop cooking and go publish a video.
I wasn't meant to put any pressure on you there, John. But it's just my point was, we publish these YouTube videos for you while also traveling around the world. Commitment, right?
Commitment. And love.
Commitment and love. Now, last but not least.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anastasia, and I'm the Russian language teacher. So if you're learning Russian, удачи, which means good luck.
Our fantastic Russian teacher on the Russian story learning courses, but you also have your own website as well, it seems.
Oh yes, that is Russian with Anastasia. Welcome to join.
Big plug for Anastasia's website. All right then. So I think so a few people off kind of sleeping and showering and things like that. So that's probably all the only people that I can find right now, unless anyone's just emerged. What I think that's it. Apologies for the sound quality. If you couldn't hear it, it was a bit noisy in there. But anyway, that was a little taste of what it's like to work for the story learning team, what it's like to kind of work in a kind of busy language learning production environment like we do, and then what it's like when we finally ditch our remote working environments and all come together in a random part of the world. So yeah, it's been Stefano's actually handing me what is it, tequila sunrise? It's a tequila sunrise. Thanks, man. I forgot what I was saying now. Just been handed a drink. So I think with that I'll sign off. Thanks for listening. I know what I was going to say. I'm feeling just generally very, very grateful, very blessed to be here with a fantastic team of colleagues and friends. And I still remember what it was like to write the first blog post on my blog back in 2013, and just to kind of see how far it's come and how far we've grown and how many people we're reaching around the world is a really humbling thing. And it's moments like this when I bring the whole team together that I can really remember, just recognise that and savour it, because I'm the kind of person that doesn't really ever stop and come up for air. So it's a good moment. So I appreciate my whole team here. I appreciate you very much for listening, and I look forward to bringing you more episodes of the podcast very soon. All the best.
Thanks for listening to today's episode. And here at Story Learning, everything that I do is powered by stories, whether that's writing books, teaching lessons, crafting courses. My mission is to help everyone succeed at learning a new language through the power of story. And we now have comprehensive language courses in over 15 languages, from Spanish to French, Korean to Japanese, and across all levels from beginner to mastery. And you can take a 7-day free trial of any of these programs by visiting storylearning.com/courses. I've poured my heart and soul into creating these courses over the last 10 or so years, and we've helped tens of thousands of new students achieve their dreams of learning a new language, all through the power of story. So go ahead and take a free trial. There's no commitment. You can try out our method for free, see if this can also be the breakthrough for you that it's been for so many other people. storylearning.com/courses.